chicken foot. You see, I've cut off the two of them.
Yeah.
Good thing I've cut them off.
Don't want those two in the soup.
People, yeah, Yankee call them finger. You know, Yankee now eat them, you know. No chicken foot, you know. Give them come like they have a fit. I chop them like so, I chop them. I think I take seasoning. You know, season penetrate through them.
Those are some long toes, man.
Yeah. Chicken toenail.
Yeah. 2 nails. Can you imagine one of that sticking in your throat?
Okay. Cut your throat. Sharp, cut your throat. Why, chicken a good business in Jamaica, you know. They can't get chicken in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah?
The young one where they grow.
Uh-huh.
No, man, they can't get them, man. Man, if you do a hatchery, you know you're beat in Jamaica.
That's me the price went up. I mean, they raised the prices then.
But they raise on that, they can't get them.
Oh. Wow.
Man, the people that travel far Westmoreland go to Portland to try to get chicken. I have a brethren in grow chicken, you know. Man, I took about 3 months, I know I'm not getting no chicken, I go all over.
Oh.
I say for me, that Jamaica, you know, them I think I like, anyway, they have to find it.
You find it.
So me, the man, we can't find them things there. I'm telling you, go down a Worry Wharf.
Worry Wharf?
Yeah. You got Wharf and you got Worry Wharf. Worry Wharf are the next to the big wharf. But Worry Wharf, they sell a lot of things down there where people don't know about it.
Oh.
And you have to know the big wharf near a Freeport. Yeah. And Worry Wharf down a Foreshore Road. Close to Victoria Pier. People don't know it. And there's a whole lifestyle. But people don't know. And you would have been who know.
Yeah, most people know about Freeport.
Yeah, them would know about that one there. So you see when Gilbert blow. Me da Jamaica. So me make money, man. And no people don't know. So you have all a ice factory down Worry Wharf just saying that. And they can't get no ice for the next ice factory because they don't have no current to make ice.
Oh.
But Worry Wharf are where we shit down at that. Underground Delco plant, everything. The ship come there so at all time. And them have to have ice at all time to give back the ship. When the ship go back and ferry. Yeah.
Now hold it for ice, you know?
We have ice and the fishing boat them, we have all the British and Doros. We have to have ice to give them. So they have ice at all time. So when I Gilbert at this, I'm going to buy ice and make like man and say, why, yeah, the mango man, I see that Gilbert with ice. I mean, no way to forget it.
You know we forget it. You know.
Yeah, man, so the guy Worry Wharf, man, when it comes to all back to school, they got a bad factory down there. Yeah. The whole of the people don't sell our school bag, you don't know they sell school bag down there. Good quality bag there.
Oh yeah?
And I sell it cheap too. So now Worry Wharf, and people that come from when they pass down the money, I don't the gas oil place, the gas place, SO and the Shell. Yeah man. Feel most livestock they deal with down there so much.
Oh.
People don't know about it. Yeah, it's smart really feel about Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, especially Kingston.
What do you man? Alright, just in a Kingston. You know. And got the thing here, slaughterhouse, you know.
Yeah.
You want slaughterhouse?
Yeah man.
Slaughterhouse where they kill animal.
Yeah.
They run a railway, run a train line, on a Tivoli garden back.
Mm-hmm.
Kill goat, kill every type of meat down there. So we as a youth now, we used to go down the go hustle. When we go down the go hustle and we get 2 cow foot or 2 goat foot and them thing there. But you see when they kill a goat them, you see like the ram goat, all man a boil soup out the road and them thing there. Then just buy a she goat meat, you know, and the ram goat meat, you know. But you have to go down a slaughterhouse and they sell the ram goat bait by the bungle.
Oh.
So you have to buy a bungle or 2 bungle, then you drop in the soup.
Oh my
and it ring
God.
like a ram goat, you know. Yeah, man. The bait them, it be sold by the bungle, man.
Yeah, that's what the last time I went to Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
And I kill a goat, right?
Mm.
No, somebody want to send me a she goat.
Yeah.
And guess what the person said? You can buy the ram goat seasoning. It rank. And you just put it in there.
Yeah, them a ram goat seasoning and all it. Yeah.
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 And they can't know. Me said, no. I'm not doing that.
Yeah. Them make a seasoning now, but first time I beard you have to buy.
The beard. Oh, you just buy the beard.
Yeah, can beard rented way and him can piss nine beard at all time.
So people drink the soup and believe it's a rammy.
Yeah, but the drink said we.
Yeah, it drink same way, but some people don't want the she goat, you know.
But
they can't tell now.
They can't, soup rank like a ram goat.
Oh,
Stay from afar and smell him. Because the beard, him beard him always a piss nine beard and saying beard rank.
Yeah.
So they want him buy she goat and cook, man. They just go down there and look for y'all ram goat beard or 2 in front foot. Throw in the soup. Real ram goat, real money water you get.
Tricks and trade, eh?
Yeah. All the other piece pan in front foot and 9 billion.
Man. You know, as I say, if you live at town, you have to know if you're hustling. You have to know if you
You
have to know if you live.
When we that town, you know, we also, when it comes to Christmas time, we buy our clocks and them thing there, you know. We go in, where the goalie the name, man. When they run out for Riverton City, a big goalie, man. Yeah, I remember where it name, man. But the whole of a while I've been there. You see, when the rain fall, rain wash where the pig them, and we all up in St. Andrew. And they come down a Riverton, wash them come a Riverton. So we go all go catch.
Yeah. Oh, yeah?
Catch pig and sell for make our Christmas morning. But a boy they down there named Kuti, I'm going like say the thing them pig them belongs to him. You see? So that's how we make our money and down at the dump a Riverton there so. Go down there someone and cause you know, you see a Jana Wang at the supermarket. See when anything outdated an inspector could know it, trash it, you know.
Yeah.
So down a Riverton them carry all them things they go.
And dump it.
Yeah, man, the people down there so I get all them things that I can come back at town and sell.
Wow.
People put all sand in a paint pan. Brian go buy your own paint pan, you know. With a burger. Paint pan, brand new. Fully of sand and two little paint pan on the top. You buy a tin of paint, you know. Christmas time, because people are buying paint out Christmas time, you know. When you're downtown. Man, you don't have time to pull it in. So, when you go home and pay sand and that blood. Pay sand and that.
Oh my God.
And I tell her, she said when Christmas time, people at country people come. And one piece of big cloth in buy and fold it up and put it up neat like a sheet set in it, you know. When they go home and pull that shit now, and whole cloth and a sheet set in it, people have so I want town, you know.
Oh my God.
You think Kingston are easy, you know, man.
Kingston are easy, so you have to be careful.
Kingston are easy, man. People have to survive, you know.
So you buy a tin of paint and feel so you get a tin of paint. But
Sand in the bottom
sand
of that, and you can paint on top when you go in and put it and say, blood, almost. Man, can me.
Oh, man.
Yeah, man, I next man named Papa Tree Card.
Yeah.
Tree Card, man. Like on Christmas, and the man beard. Yeah, man, next man again where.
Especially country people, them they always get in them, man, most
Yeah,
of the
man.
time.
Mm-hmm.
Because the town man, them can't really get the town man there.
No, because told man, they know the
The
trick.
town man, them know the trick.
Yeah,
But the
so-
country people, them who go Kingston.
yeah.
Yeah.
Cause them have two more again. Where you go around and go around with one big Kyle of newspaper,
Uh-huh.
a couple $100, like $100 so over it. A big Kyle of elastic up, you know.
Uh-huh.
Downtown and him there, they stay all of Peter's Lane corner. And I say, somebody apart and I say, stop them and I say, look, me find some money, you know, I'm not use it, you know, because I don't know too much money. Too much money. You carry your own car and I show you the kind of money, you know. Big kind of money. I say, too much money for me. But in the middle, pay newspaper.
Yeah.
Elastic up. And they must say, look, me no pick me nothing, you know. So just give me $1,000 and take you all that money. I carry you. And you go all a bag of jar, $1,000 give him. And he said, no, but I pull it till you go home, look at whole for money, you know. And you know, pull it till you go home to blow out that $100 with a bag of newspaper. You come like you want a heart attack to blow out. So the man is killed, the man is dead, the man is dead, and the man is over the park, you know, man.
Oh my God.
Boy, some people can't get canned easily. If a man have a bag of money, if me find a bag of money, why make me that say give me $1,000 and you kill me? and attack. Well, some people get some trick where they shouldn't get no trick, man. That way them.
Nah.
Same now, they use so much money, you know, because now they pick me now, nothing, you know. Just give me
Yeah.
$1,000, man. I take your life. Nobody pull it here and they go carry you on a car and I say, no pull it here, go home.
No, pull it till you go home.
And then you have a next man we sell the fraud chain them, you know.
Yeah.
Like a gold, all the bangle them.
Mm-hmm.
Because them used to make them on a matches day bottom, no, a matches day bottom, that's why, you know. Chain them. And then when all the tourists then come and see them, we ship them come and then go down there and them hold it there. And they say, we gold man, they pull all the put all one strand of hair upon it.
Mm-hmm.
And we name the car, they rub with the brush, you know, and shine, you know, and crepe, you know. She live out for big money, man. All the bangle them shine like a...
When you wear it one time, you start to turn,
Nobody here, man.
change color.
Then go on the next part of the matches then again, then you used to print money.
Mm.
Then you used to print money like $100, $50, $20, $10. So, like the $100, you pay $50 for it. Like $50, you pay $25. $20, you pay $10.
Okay.
$10, you pay $5. So you go and go buy the bad money.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Cause
You make double time your money.
you can make back money. Yeah, you can make back money. But we pray for them to catch you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Why is it going, man?
Where that matches lane?
Yes, man. I run. They used to print the money, man. Well, but thing going when I'm matching lane, there, man.
Man.
I run a matching lane. There, whole thing going on, there, man. I run this up. I'll ride ice cream on the ice cream party. I run a matching lane the other day, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man.
A matches lane Zeke come from, not you?
Yeah, but them come up by top. Them come up at the top.
So there's two parts of matches lane.
Matching lane run from up at top of public go down to Seaside.
Oh.
Go down to Harbour Street.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But wrong a matches lane down at the bottom now. The man named Charlie Mattress did control down there, sir.
Charlie mattress.
Yeah, man did about 30 at picnic. Wolf a fishing boat.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man. Charlie mattress. And we control the whole of the whole of the matches lane from Barry Street go down there, so and I feel place them there. When you see down there so now, down there so was the fear part of matches here. If you just fear down there so you know but people not go down the other side there too tough.
Yeah.
The 4 and 6 place is bad man, up by top part. My bottom there so like the tough place. Below Barry Street, Lower Street there so.
Yeah, you have to know if you survive.
Only time I look at you with me, I sell fish cup at downtown, man. Me and my friend them, man. And then Jolly Bus around. Yeah. And then you'll have the next kiss cup place to my water lane now. We sell bag juice and all them things there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm a slippery survivor town.
Yeah,
And
man.
nobody can tell me about town.
Town life rough.
They can't tell me about town.
If you don't know if you survive in Kingston, man, boy, you're in trouble.
That thing where you have to just stay and blind here and there
Yep.
and try and live. Town is not an easy place, you know. With all my uncle. Man come from country and start town, man a pick. Huh? Yeah. Man a pickpocket and I interview me. Tell the man, say, yo, this man a pickpocket, you know, nobody interview with them, you know, just leave them alone, you know. Just see and look and do like you know, see, you know.
Yeah.
I'm going to interview with them. Man, them cut them up bad, you know. When the man them cut them up and everything there, and a man come tell me under the big tree, say, cut up your uncle, you know. I'm a grow up with the blood and that, and the man never cut up my uncle. You know the whole of the man, you know.
They never know say your uncle?
No, the man say, boy, I'm sorry. I never know your uncle, but he come, he see we are doing thing and
he intervene.
And he intervene night, you know, see? And the man, they are pearl in the car. Yo, you got some wicked, yeah, you have some man out in the day. When the man, they rob all people, you know, they cut off your whole pants off of you, you know, naked, you know. Cut off your whole pants, your whole clothes off of you, you know. Man, they got some sharp razor in and the whole body walking. No, man, the man, they cut your whole pants off of you, man.
Wow.
Man, they're easy, man.
Man, they're dangerous.
Man, they're tough, man. So, I can wash out this in the house with some vinegar.
Alright. What they call it in Kingston?
Kill some.
Kill some or left some?
Yeah.
Kill some or left some. Alright, washing the chicken foot now.
Yeah. Wash it with vinegar and lime.
Yeah. Vinegar.
Throw some salt on it.
So you wash it with vinegar,
Salt and lime.
Oh, and lime too.
Yeah. him nice soup pot.
Seasoning, salt.
Yeah, harbor, all purpose. Garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
Yeah, we'll put some powder seasoning around. Seasoning the sauce again.
What I told you? Oh, that's seasoning?
Yeah.
Oh, Madia, or whatever that is.
Some chicken seasoning that is chicken a good deal.
Okay. You let it sit for a while or no? It's chicken food.
Yeah, because I was seeing now when I put on the pot.
Put some pimento in it.
Yeah. Soup I go. Soup. Time ago, just put soup in a pot, make soup go and cook everything.
Yeah.
Season them a different, make the season burn of them. Yeah. Scallion, turnip, pepper, mushroom, you know, a mushroom.
Yeah.
Come like meat, you know, put on a meat, I grow like a tree.
Oh.
Yeah.
Put some garlic in it too.
Yeah. We'll fry some bami to come with it.
Oh.
Sama bami. Pepper.
Yeah.
Pepper. Throw everything in a pot one time.
Yeah.
The last thing I go in at the yam.
Yeah.
I don't want it mashed out.
No, yam. It's not yellow yam.
Yeah, yellow yam. Yellow yam.
Oh, okay. Is it the white yellow? No, you say yellow yam. Oh, yellow yam mash?
Huh?
Yellow yam.
I don't really much, but if you boil too much.
Oh, okay. I don't want it too soft.
Yeah. I have everything else on the more because of the soup.
Let's put all of that in the soup.
Yeah. The extra work, you know.
Some salt. Put some salt in it.
Yeah. I want to keep extra work. So it was a little routine one.
Pepper.
Yep. I want to do it.
While the soup gonna cook.
Yeah. I'm going to cook itself right now because everything already nice.
Yeah.
We have the spinners and the yam, them and them going on.
Okay. So you already peel the yam and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dumpling make the spinners are ready.